Please activate the subtitles. This video is going to be very quick. Today I'm going to teach you how to agree and disagree with people, okay? But before we start, please remember that if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be given access to the PDF files with extra exercises. So please subscribe. Let's get started. So today I'm going to teach you how to agree and to disagree with people, okay? So let's do it. For example, I like vodka with todinho. I know that my student likes vodka with todinho too, right? So, I like vodka with todinho. What do you say?
Me too.
Yes, it's correct. You can say me too. But today let's avoid it. Today you can't say me too, okay? Because I want to help you sophisticate your language. So don't say me too, say so do I. So do I is equivalent to me too. I like vodka with todinho.
So do I.
Correct. Okay, we say so do I because the original sentence is in the present, so we use do. But if I say something in the past, we have to say so did I. Okay, because the auxiliary for the past is did. For example, you were with me, so I watched a nice movie yesterday. What do you say?
Me too.
No, man, it's correct. You can say me too, but let's try to sophisticate your language, man. You say, so did I. I watched a nice movie yesterday.
So did I. Oh, so did I is equivalent to me too.
So did I is me too in the past. If I say something about the future, what's the auxiliary for the future?
The auxiliary for the future is will, correct?
So, I will dance naked in the shower tomorrow. You're gonna be with me, so I will dance naked in the shower tomorrow. What do you say?
Me too.
Oh man, don't be stupid. You can say me too, it's okay, but say so will I. So will I is equivalent to me too. Before sentences in the future. I will dance naked in the shower tomorrow.
So will I. It's very simple.
In order to use these sentences correctly, you really have to know all the auxiliaries in English. So I'm going to show you an image with all the auxiliaries in English, and I just want you to pause the video and copy all of them. Okay, I have just told you sentences in the affirmative form so far. What if I tell you something in the negative form? How do you respond to that? For example, I don't like funk music. I know that you don't like funk music either. So I don't like funk music. Then you say, neither do I. Neither do I. I don't like funk music.
Neither do I.
So you can't say me too for these things in negative. And you can't use so. We use so to agree with sentences in the affirmative form, and we use neither to agree with something in the negative form. So for example, in the past, I didn't die yesterday.
Oh, neither did I. Correct?
Yes, correct. For the future now, I will not play video game tonight.
Neither will I. Neither will I. Correct?
Okay, do you understand it?
Yes, teacher, I understand it, but it's a little bit confusing. I have to practice more, but I understand it.
And we're gonna practice more. I'm gonna have a conversation with my student and with Johnson. My student will always agree with me, and Johnson will always disagree with me. I want you to pay attention how Johnson disagrees with me and take notes. So, hey boys. Okay, I like todinho.
So do I.
But I don't.
I don't watch TV every day.
Neither do I.
But I do.
I didn't kill my dog last night.
Oh, neither did I.
But I did.
I will dance tango with my girlfriend tonight.
So will I.
But I won't.
But do you have a girlfriend?
I have an imaginary girlfriend, teacher. Her name is Roger.
So, I can't swim.
Neither can I.
But I can.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, like our page on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. And remember that I'm posting videos on Instagram throughout the week so you can have contact with English all the time. So follow me on Instagram, share this video, share this channel with your friends, and I'll see you now when I close my eyes.